Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ingrid V. Today I am going to be doing a makeup look with this eyeshadow palette, which is from my Cosmetic line that drops August of 2019. I'm not going to bore you with too much talking, so I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys see what it looks like. Enjoy! Okay, so this is the finished look right here. So pretty much what I did was just do a short video. It was mainly for the eyeshadow, not for anything else. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, the eyeshadow palette is from a Cosmetic line that I will be launching this summer. So you guys be on the lookout for that. And I was pretty much sampling everything and making sure that, you know, I'm using quality and also giving you guys quality. I just don't want to be out here selling cosmetics and just be selling anything. So I have to love the product in order for me to sell it, which I really like. The pigmentation is good on this palette, and I'm just so excited for you guys to see everything else that I have coming. So if you guys stay tuned, I will be keeping you guys updated. But again, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you again so much for watching, guys.